Hi and welcome to my playhouse. Today I've been as lazy as could be, so I haven't prepared a video for Friday. So I am celebrating Christmas at my brother's place, and I introduced my brother for Ryobi tools a number of years back, mostly so that I would always have something to give him for Christmas. And he got this one, not by me, but I think he might have bought it himself, or he has gotten it from my mom. I'm not sure, but I thought it was pretty cool, so I think we'll do a very short video on this. It's a tiny inverter. You get 230 volts out, plus you have in the front here, you have a couple of USB ports, and that is not particularly stupid to have because it's not very big. It's kind of a tiny thing. I'm recording this on my phone, so one-handed. There's a battery. Of course, this one is a 2 amp one. It's not that large, but bigger batteries are naturally available. And this one is just the inverter itself, and it's very handy. It is limited to 150 watts though. It says it right here. There, 230 volts AC, 150 watts. I don't know, it doesn't say anything on the other side, so I thought we'll try that. I have my laptop over here, and it would be very handy to see my laptop running out of this inverter. So we're gonna try that. So I'm gonna ready that. I need the other hand, so hang in there. Okay. So here is my laptop, and I have the charging thing here. It's not charging at the moment, it's running on battery, 99%. I'm not entirely sure this laptop can charge up to 100% anymore. But it's one of the, it has two batteries. It has one that you can take out, and it has an internal one that you can't take out. So they have, well, there's two batteries. And then, so to power it from this external one, I have connected the battery again, and it says up here there is two different ways to turn this on, or there's a turn on the inverter, and I guess the USB as well, and then there is a flashlight. We didn't actually see that, did we? There is a flashlight. I think that's the flashlight. We can turn that on by double clicking this one, and it's very easy. So there, flashlight's on, and we double click again and it gets brighter, double click again and it turns off. So built-in flashlight. If we want to turn on the socket here, we click it, we hold it in for 2 seconds, this on button. So we'll do that, press, it lights up green. We take our connector here, we pop it in there. Let's see, it goes in that way. There. Does it start? Come on. That was inconvenient. Let's see. That wasn't it. We at least got a little connector on our battery here. It would have been nice if it said charging somewhere. So let's try and turn it off. Let's press it. There, it's off. That is really annoying. Every time I need to show you something, the screen goes off. But now the little connector disappeared. So maybe if I press the button and show you what I am. There. Okay, so it refreshes the screen when it's does the charging thing, so that's what's going on. But now we have this little charging icon over there, which tells us that we're actually charging the laptop from the little Ryobi inverter here with a 65 watt power supply over there. So that is plenty for that. We also want to try those two USB sticks, and for that I have the weirdest little thing. This is it's part of my travel kit. I have this thing that I have my laptop in, and I usually just leave it in the car because I use this laptop at work, and as I go around to different data centers, it's very convenient to always have my laptop in the car. There, let's disconnect that. And then I have my phone, which I am recording on, so that is kind of an issue. I will have to go and borrow someone else's thingy so that I can record me. Meh, I didn't think that through. Okay, I have borrowed my mom's phone. So, let's see, my mom's phone is actually pretty low. It was in the charger. So let's see if we can connect a USB cable to this and power. I have no idea if it powers automatically. It could be. So this one has different charging things. There, nothing happens. So let's try and press the button. There, it's charging. The phone is in Danish, so it's a oplader. That means charging, and it's charging up here. There, so works perfectly fine. I do believe these are not very expensive, so very, very, very convenient little thing for your Ryobi tool case. So cool. I might have to get myself one of these just because it's very convenient, like power in your hand. So that is it for this ultra short video on me just showing you a gadget, a Ryobi gadget, 150 watt inverter for all sorts of things. I have no idea if it's pure sine wave or anything, but charges the computer and charges the phone. Very unique. And you know, it just change the battery when it runs out. So I will naturally leave a link in the description because I have no idea what this costs right now, but yeah, go check it out in the description if this is something that you think is cool. If you need one. If you don't need one, never mind. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Do subscribe to my channel so you can see me again, and have a really nice day. Bye bye.